Hi Bes, this is Rain, your bestie from Sneaker Street. Welcome sa day 1 ng ating series run titled Balik Loob Run, Road to Sub 1 in 10K. So for today's run guys, easy run lang tayo dahil kababalik pa lang natin. 3 to 4 km lang, 7 to 7:30 km pace lang tayo. So for today's run guys, gagamitin natin yung A6 Nova Blast 5 grayish purple coral na available din kay Sneaker Street. Nakapag-warm up na ako. Tara Bes, takbo tayo. 1K 2K 3K a couple meters left. Actually parang nasa 200 meters na lang. Though I decided to walk kasi medyo nasakit yung tuhod ko dahil need pala natin i-break in. Pero guys, I'm telling you, super comfortable nung A6 Nova Blast 5. Very comfortable siya actually. Sobrang lambot niya sa paa. So kung nagbabala kumuha ng A6 Nova Blast 5, perfect na perfect. If you're a beginner runner or kung naghanap ka ng mga shoes for your easy run, perfect na perfect yung Nova Blast 5. And guys, a couple meters left, couple hundred meters left. Power through na tayo, push through. Let's go! Sabi nga ni kay BJ, one foot in front of the other, celebrate small victories, always believe in yourself. Yun. 4K done. Buhay pa. Easy run is done. 4K down. Namit naman natin yung pace natin. So, that's our day 1 nating balik loob run. Road to sub 1 in 10K. Bye guys.